Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu token, guys. Shiba Inu token is again going to moon, so very congrats to all Shiba Inu holders. And guys, in this video we're shortly talking about Shiba Inu, that what will be the next move of Shiba Inu is in the future. There is possibilities that the price of Shiba Inu will pump or dump. So let's start the video, guys. But if you're new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the current price of Shiba Inu token in the market, so as you can see here, guys, the current price of Shiba is about 0.00042 USD dollar. That is the current price of Shiba Inu token. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of Shiba Inu token, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes of Shiba Inu is completely going positive, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Shiba Inu price will continue this kind of positive changes. And due to this update, guys, due to these positive changes, as you notice, guys, that from long time you found Shiba Inu token is in the pumping, guys. And you know what, personally I believe, guys, that to the last of October Shiba Inu continuously pump like that. Let me show you the price chart for a short time. As you can see, you're going straight to the moon, guys. Absolutely. Also, yesterday the price of Shiba Inu is pump. That's unbelievable. 49% the Shiba Inu price pump in the last 1 day. So that's again profit time. That's again the pumping time of Shiba Inu token. Just hold, just hold. It's the profit time. And if you want to buy more, so it's really good for all of you. Anyways, what's your opinion? What is your price prediction about Shiba Inu token? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.